You ever feel like birds are targeting your beautiful, clean car? Not only are bird droppings disgusting, but they can permanently etch into your paint, sometimes within minutes. When the founder of the company was forced to park his nice car on the street, it didn't take long before his car was covered with permanent stains that no wax could fix. Drop Wipes was developed. Drop Wipes is a state-of-the-art cleaning product made to conveniently save your paint and keep your car looking new. It's easy. Here's how it works. Simply open the Drop Wipes package, take the soaking soft wipe, and gently wipe over the fresh dropping. It's that easy. If it's already hardened, place the wipe on it and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes until it softens. Then gently wipe. Our unique formula will neutralize the dropping while it softens, so it cleans up easily with no need to wash it off or dry it. If the dropping leaves any haze or residue, take the ultra soft dry wipe and gently rub over the area. It's that easy.
I'll take it from here. Drop Wipe's strong natural formula is also perfect for water spots, bug splats, or anything else that marks your car's glorious gloss. Don't believe the marketing hype about detail sprays with wax polymers that can actually seal in the dropping, or general cleaning wipes with fancy marketing that don't neutralize the acid. Be prepared with Drop Wipes. Open, wipe, done. It's that easy with Drop Wipes. Remember, if it drops or splats, Drop Wipes can handle that. Go to dropwipes.com today because they are out there waiting for you. I see you, little buggers.